Hey guys, how you doing today? It is Tim at Doc's Autos, and we've got a quick little project here. Went out to grab Truck Norris the other day, and the headlights, one of the headlights, nice HID aftermarkets, was out. If you see, kind of flickers. The driver's side window flickers. Also, apologies for the audio quality. I did just get the new GoPro 7 and did not come with the, or kind of couldn't find the microphone adapter from GoPro. It was out of stock for 50 bucks. Went on Amazon, found it for 50 bucks. Just forgot to put it in my cart, order it Wednesday night, and Thursday morning I went in to order it. It was $60. I'm sorry, $69, almost $70, $20 jump overnight. So wasn't going to pay that, so I went over to B&H Photo and Video, and for the 49 bucks plus a couple dollars shipping and tax, it will be here on Monday. So just a couple days dealing with crappy audio. Back to Truck Norris though. Oh, we have this good old Power Stroke. Oh yeah. And I thought maybe I had an issue with the ground yesterday, so came out and cleaned that up. And that's just fine dandy. So we are going to assume our ballast is the issue here, and I'm going to swap those out. I'm going to throw in some GlowTek LED lights. Now, have not done LED headlights in the past. I know a lot of them are great. These GlowTek ones did appear to be very highly reviewed on Amazon. Not sponsored, not paid. I just picked them up and we'll give them a try. The lights I had in here are the 6000K HID dual beams. If I recall, these here are 6500K temperature, so a little more on the bluish side than the 6000K that I've had in my last few vehicles. I had these HIDs in my Tahoe, I had them in my Explorer, and in Truck Norris. And we will see how these LED ones do. These should be 11,000 lumens, pretty bright. Was referred to some other LED brands, but they were only in the 7,000 to 8,000 lumens, and living out on the country roads, lots of deer and other animals and wildlife to run out in front of you, would like to make sure that they stay on the side of the vehicle and not in my grill. So we will go ahead and try and get these things installed. All right, go ahead and take this off here. And again, you'll have to excuse the background noise. Our contractors are back working on our dirt work for our future shop. So that is exciting news. They're putting in a bunch of culverts for drainage. To make life easy, I'm just going to go ahead and remove. Hopefully it's that easy. There we go. Headlight comes free almost easily. I can go ahead and pull out the old bulb and its associated doohickeys. Now if we go here and open up our box, a little bit of unboxing. They did send also a couple of bonus, I assume they're also the white LED interior bulbs. I'll have to find a place to put those. But here's the bulbs themselves. We got the ballast. And those do look pretty nice. And it looks like these just plug directly in line with the existing headlights. So no more running additional power source from your battery. And here's the unit. LEDs on both sides here. They are a fan model, and there is a adjustment on here I did read. So if you do need to adjust the beam pattern for your vehicle, side to side or whatever, to get that beam pointed correctly, you can do that. So we'll go ahead and just set one of these in here for right now and see what it looks like. Turns right in, locks in place. Now we have a lock and twist on our connector here too, which is really nice. So it's going to get in there nice and secured and stay attached. So we'll go ahead and plug this in. These are a directional plug, so you want to make sure you don't just shove it in there and end up damaging your pins. Okay, here's our connector, our factory Ford connector. We'll go ahead and plug him into our LED fixture. And let's go ahead and set everything back where you go. Let's just give a quick whirl here and see what it looks like. Get a better light. Ooh, hey, look at those. Look at that bright. Huh. This actually looks like a more brilliant white than my other ones. How do my high beams look? Oh, nice spread on the high beams. Those are very nice. All right. All right, we're going to go ahead and put the other one in here on the passenger side, and then we will wait till it gets dark out and go check these things out. Hey guys, Tim here, just finishing up our review of the new LED headlights in the Ford F350, otherwise known as Truck Norris. So here is just the no headlights, of course. Here is our low beams. And here are the high beams. So oof. There we go. Trace again. So here's our low beam, and here is our high beam. Definitely you can see this is about probably 1/8 of a mile for our driveway here, and definitely can see the end of the driveway out to the street. May go ahead and do a little bit of adjustment, try and get a little more beam out to the side. But all in all, these are bright and white and very clear. Nice thing about them, they are instant on, so no waiting for the bulbs to warm up like my old HIDs had. But awesome. We will give these a shot and see how it goes. There's again just the standard beams, and now kick on the high beams. So definitely doesn't show up quite as well on camera here, but definitely is illuminating my stop sign, which is probably a good 1/4 mile plus, close to a 1/3 mile down the road from the driveway here. So that is pretty impressive. Anyways, if you liked this video or if you hated it, either way, hit the like and subscribe below, and we will I guess we'll put on our seatbelt from now on. But again, like it and subscribe, and check out our future content, or again, just go ahead and make fun of me. So you can see here we've got all of our construction stuff here for our shop. Got culverts going in, drainage, all sorts of good stuff here. So take a better look at that in the daylight.